Straight up to our top story, there is just no end to crimes against women. 28-year-old Shweta Tandel, a resident of Colaba, was found murdered at her residence on Wednesday afternoon. Now, preliminary investigations revealed that the murderer killed Shweta with a screwdriver. The cops have detained Shweta's husband and 3 others for questioning. Richa Sharma, who's been following this case, gets us more details.
I'm currently standing in the Colaba area of Sundar Nagari, where a gruesome case of murder has come up of a 28-year-old woman, Shweta Tandel, who was in broad daylight murdered and assaulted in her own home. And in the visuals, as you can see, this was the place where the incident happened, and the neighbor was the first one to see her with a slit throat as well as a slit wrist, and she was lying there on the floor in a pool of blood. And it is to be noted that she used to live in this place with her husband, brother-in-law, as well as his friend. And so far the police is investigating the matter and trying to find out the reason and the motive of this murder. And it is also to be noted that the murder happened in broad daylight in her own home, and with a screwdriver she was attacked brutally in her neck as well as the wrist. And the police so far has detained and called in for questioning not just the husband, the brother-in-law, but also a few neighbors. And what is to be questioned here is that the safety of women is yet again come under question mark, because this has happened not in an open space, not in any other part of the city, but while the lady was living and doing her daily work in her own home, which has again made a question mark on the safety of women in our city and country. This is Richa Sharma for Mirror Now, Mumbai.
A 28 years old woman, Shweta Tandel, was murdered inside her residence at Colaba at South Mumbai. It's found on Wednesday during 8:45 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. When her husband was out, had gone for the work, and Colaba police station registered a CR number 60/2017 under 302 sections, and the investigation is going on. Her throat was slit with a sharp object, and again for this 302 we applied, and investigation is going on in this case.
मैं घर पे नहीं थी उस दिन। 12:30 को मैं बाहर से आई तो उनका हस्बैंड का फोन आया मेरा बेटा के ऊपर। वो बोले श्वेता दीदी फोन नहीं उठा रहे, वो किधर है? तो मेरा बेटा सीढ़ी के ऊपर जाके देखा तो बोला भैया कड़ी बंद है। तो कड़ी बंद होने के बाद वो नीचे आया तो बोला मम्मी ऊपर एसी चालू है, क्योंकि एसी का बिल तो हम लोग को भरना पड़ता है। तो इसके लिए मैं बोली ऊपर जब एसी चालू है तो फिर मैं आई, बाजू में गई तो शायद इधर बच्चे लोग के साथ गए, उधर नहीं गए। टॉयलेट गए होंगे, टॉयलेट बाहर है हम लोग के घर के अंदर है। तो टॉयलेट से आई उधर की 10 मिनट इधर रुकी तो वो नहीं आई। उसके बाद फिर मैं उनका हस्बैंड को रिटर्न कॉल किया। मैं बोला मयूर एसी चालू है, लाइट चालू है, पंखा चालू है। मकान मालिक? नहीं, मैं भाड़ेत्री हूँ। जिसका मकान मालिक है उनका मर्डर हो गया।
तो उसके बाद आपने
उनके बाद क्या किया, उनका हस्बैंड को फोन किया तो
किस हालत में आपने उनको देखा?
वो पूरा मतलब बाथरूम में थी। मैं बाथरूम में गई, पर्दा खोल के देखा, बाथरूम का लाइट ऑन नहीं था, पूरा ऐसा पड़ी हुई थी जैसा बर्तन धोने का पटला रहता है उसमें बैठ के पूरा गला कटा। मतलब तो अंधेरा था थोड़ा हल्का सा मोहरे में, क्योंकि पूरा गला काटा जैसे लगा पूरा। बाद में तो पता चला स्क्रू ड्राइवर से उनको मारा हुआ।